When you present with slides, do you think about where to stand in relation to the screen? You may not think about it, but it matters. One of the most powerful tools for optimal interaction with your audience is body language. Where you place your body either prioritizes you or makes your PowerPoint the star of the presentation. Now, you can change positions depending on your intention, but I urge you not to stand still or in the same spot. Let me explain. If you want people to look at you first and the slide second, stand to the left of the screen or to your right. Why? Because in Western societies, left to right is how we scan and how we learn to read. You want to draw attention to you and what you have to say. Your screen comes second. Now, there may be times when you want to emphasize the data on the screen or the flip chart and call attention to that information. Then you would stand to the right and point to specific data on the screen, even if you're left handed. The same goes for dry erase boards, for example. That way, the information becomes the focus of attention in concert with your words and your body language. But when you want to command full attention, such as when you deliver a strong opening or closing, a call to action, stand in front of the screen to claim center stage. Move closer to the audience to grab their full attention. Lean towards them, even slightly, so they feel a physical connection to you. Consider the left, the right, and the center front in relation to the screen to be your performance space. Choose a different spot depending on what you wish to achieve with your audience and get that engagement. Combine your body position with gestures. Avoid standing in the same place throughout the entire presentation. Use small lateral and forward movements, even if the space available to you is limited. Practice using your performance space the next time you present. Plan when and where to move, depending on the content and the flow of your talk. You will find it energizing, and your audience will too. I'm Rosemary Ravinal. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the link below. Thank you for watching.